Welcome back to Daytime Live. We're still buzzing. So, Beenie Man is in Ghana, and he's had media set ablaze, but not from his performance from Stoneboy's massive concert he was headlining. According to a report by GhanaWeekend.com, Beenie was arrested for providing a fake COVID-19 vaccination card.
So the dancehall superstar arrived in Accra last week and was said to allegedly test positive for COVID-19 upon arrival in Ghana on the 19th of December 2021, and of course he was quarantined.
However, he was seen going around for interviews instead of ahead of Stoneboy's BIM concert, which was held on the 21st of December 2021 at the Grand Arena of Accra International Conference Center. He is alleged to have produced a fake clearance certificate from the Ghana Health Service, which has become the subject of investigations by Ghanaian officials.
Oh no! Now, Beenie Man yesterday responded on social media by tweeting this. Okay. So, yes, so he tweeted something. It says something like he obviously, because I think I read it yesterday, and he said something like, I tested negative, and why should I have to quarantine when obviously I don't have COVID, I'm negative. So that's why, that's what he said on his social, well, that's one of the things I read. I don't know if that's the one we're referring to.
The thing is, like these things are things that you need to check out before you run with stories, Like it have to be both ways. You can't just run with what you hear. So right now I don't know which end to believe. It's alleged that Beenie is in custody because he tested positive and he decided to not obey quarantine restrictions. I don't know. Do you think that we're too quick to jump the gun and believe everything that the press put out without fact checking?
Yeah, and also waiting to see what the other side says. Like, I feel like this is coming from the press. I don't believe it's coming from the Ghanaian officials. It's coming from the press. The press is like, yo, we think this happened. Beenie released something and he released proof. There was a letter that he released that said, blah, 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 tested negative for, and Beenie's response was, like I said, if I tested negative, why am I quarantining? That's the point. I'm paying $15,000 to take a test upon landing.
Right.
Is so that you can determine whether or not I have COVID, whether or not I can move around or not.
Right.
So he's like, I've tested negative, therefore I don't need to quarantine. I think that's a really good point. But I think the point that we're trying to ascertain is, are we quick as a society, as a people, to believe the press more so than believe the person, or even to listen to both sides of the story before you form a judgment? What do you think?
I think that we are very dependent on the press to not just to tell us something for us to believe, but I think we're very dependent on the press to tell us what to think.
Yeah, depend on us though, guys. We're good press. We're good press. Listen to us, okay? Listen to us. We're good press. All right, go ahead, Craig.
I am charged with the responsibility of letting you know what's going on. However, I will also tell you that you should fact check. You should wait a little bit, let the smoke clear a little bit, let the dust settle before you formulate your opinion.
Yeah.
You should make what's the word? Calculated judgments.
Especially because of the word you said, calculated. I believe, I haven't been in Jamaica too long, but the time I've been here, like, Beenie Man has shown himself to be of notable character. So I feel like if somebody shows you who they are, at least give them the benefit of the doubt to say, hold on, y'all, let me see the full story before me say, what am I doing? Can't do that. Like, give them the benefit of the doubt first,
I don't think Moses is going to put nobody in jeopardy. I mean, Moses is a troublemaker. We know that.
We've seen that side.
Right? So we know that part, but not like that.
Especially because he's not an idiot either.
Exactly.
It's a public platform.
Exactly.
You're going on TV in Ghana. You're like on TV going around.
Exactly.
It's not like I'm coming to Craig's house to be like, download. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
We can download. We don't, guys. We don't. But we could.
But we can.
But I can't download on Daytime Live. Don't tell anybody.
Yeah, and I mean, and then the other thing too is that the promoters have the responsibility as well as the ones setting up the interviews, setting up the appearances. They should know, and they're Ghanaian.
Yeah.
So they must be more accustomed to the rules and
Than he
regulations
is.
of the country.
And we're talking about we're also talking about his agent as well.
Yeah.
Like even certain things were happening.
Yeah, Beenie Man is not a
It's not
a
Beenie
singular
Man.
person.
It's not a poor person like me.
There's
There's
management. There are
It's
layers
a
and levels that you have to go
entity.
through.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if somebody said, come pick your car, send car for you and carry over there, it's over there it's supposed to be. I'm just saying, I feel like it's not such a straightforward story. And the other thing I want to say is, as not us media, but certain publications, it's what we call clickbait. You want persons to click and read. So even if you're there for 2 seconds, like it makes the company more, what's the word? Gives you more platform, more persons, more audience members. They'll write something
Search
just so
engine
you can click,
optimization.
right? So know that as well. So you'll hear all kind of things and then it's like, oh, not true, and they retract it later. So bear that in mind. They're just trying to get your eyes on their page rather than some other page. Not us on Daytime Live, though. We are facts.
Yeah.
Over here.
As myself, Moses get trouble, but I want our favorites still.
We love him.
Yeah, so do you think brother come home?
we still got bad him up, though.
Yeah,
If he
you know
did
what I
something
mean?
wrong, we're still gonna be like Moses. Come on. But we're gonna reserve judgment until we know for a fact. Say he did something, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
I think we did well on that. I think we did well on that. We didn't throw anybody under no bus.
Beenie, nobody not throw Beenie on the numbers, you mad? We
Maybe
love
I try.
Beenie. Jamaica people love Beenie. Coming like an auntie. Jamaica people love Beenie, but I can tell you that.
Because he's so lovely and
Gotcha.
the one leg.
See that?
I love him. He's the one, I love him. I do though. On that note, Daytime Now will be right back with a chat discussion.
Oh,
What are we chatting about?
Hey,
I'm not tell you.
what a
I'm not
reach
tell you.
back.
You have got to come back to see.